Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of chalk paint, and we've got the best chalk paint you can find on the market. The Folkart 34169 Home Decor Acrylic Chalk Paint in Rich Black. This right here is a game changer for all your home decor and craft projects. Whether you're sprucing up your furniture, adding a touch of creativity to glass, or giving metal surfaces a new lease on life, Folkart's got you covered. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about what makes this Folkart chalk paint stand out from the rest. First off, it comes in a convenient 8-ounce size. That's a lot of chalk paint to work with, ensuring you can tackle multiple projects without running out. Now, here's the real magic, the ultra matte finish. Once dry, this chalk paint leaves a beautiful, velvety matte surface that's simply stunning. Plus, it requires minimal surface prep, making your DIY projects even easier. And here's the kicker. You can use this unique paint on a variety of surfaces. Wood, glass, metal, terracotta, you name it. It's a versatile paint that's perfect for your creative needs. Cleaning up after your project is a breeze with Folkart Home Decor chalk paint. Just use some soap and water while it's still wet, and you're good to go. Safety first. This chalk paint is non-toxic, so you can work worry-free. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and craftsmanship. But hey, don't just take my word for it. This product boasts an impressive 4.6-star rating with over 10,000 reviews. Users love how easy it is to clean, its great value for money, and how effortless it is to use and spread. Now, here's the best part, the price. At just $12.15 for an 8-ounce bottle, you're getting top-quality chalk paint at an unbeatable price. And guess what? It's available right now on Amazon. Alright, let's put this Folkart chalk paint to the test. I've got a wooden chair right here, and I'm going to give it a fresh, new look. As you can see, it goes on smoothly and covers beautifully. And remember, one bottle goes a long way. So there you have it, folks. Folkart 34169 Home Decor Acrylic Chalk Paint in Rich Black. The best chalk paint for all your home decor and craft projects. With its versatile size, ultra matte finish, suitability for various surfaces, ease of cleanup, and non-toxic formula, it's a must-have in your DIY toolkit. If you're ready to take your creativity to the next level, click the link in the description below to grab your Folkart chalk paint now. And hey, if you've tried it before, share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fantastic product reviews on Product Critique. Until next time, happy painting, everyone!